We are honored to welcome a textile industry leader, Mr. Durai Palanisamy, Executive Director of Pallava Textiles and Chairman of the Southern India Mills Association, an MBA alumnus of Southern New Hampshire University. He has transformed his legacy into a global force in sustainable fiber production. His career, defined by green energy and innovation, serves as a beacon for our graduating class as you step into a future of purpose and possibility.
It's really an honor to be here, parents, family, teachers. So I take the opportunity on your behalf to thank all the Matas, Pitas and Gurus, on this present here on this special day. So as students, where are we? We are confident to face the fast or challenging world, but fast enough to Google how to solve the problems. So today, as you see, AI is creating a big change in our everyday lives. I think I can say core engineering is the basic foundation, where if you don't have the core engineering, whether it's digital technology or AI or whatever it is, there's no space. Because generally engineers are very logical. They think logic. Without logic, it's very difficult to convince. It works both ways. As engineers, we need logic and data to convince others and also get convinced. So I want to share a real life story. It's about the story of two brothers, probably 60 years back. After fifth grade, the elder brother had to quit school because he wanted his younger brother to continue education, so he took up employment. Then after the younger brother graduated out of SSLC, the elder brother said, "Why don't you come join my work?" So he took him to the same company where the elder brother was working. And then eventually, after 15 years of working in that company, they came out, started a business of their own. They became entrepreneurs. Today, those two brothers are responsible for building a business of close to $500 million. So, these two brothers are nothing or nobody but my elders, my father and his elder brother. One day when I had the opportunity to ask my elders, what was their secret to success? He said one thing. See, when we went for employment, we didn't see ourselves as employees. We saw ourselves as the owner of the business, which means we took responsibility for this business. We took decisions like an owner. We never saw time. And that is how we learned the business. When somebody takes up responsibility and when someone has the entrepreneur mindset, so someone who takes responsibility, who does, with passion, thinking that one day they want to be like, a boss, creating opportunities for many young people. So that mindset, I think, is what made the difference. My advice to young graduates is develop the entrepreneur mindset. It can take you places. Once again, congratulations, dear graduate. May you achieve great success. All the best. Thank you.